Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. Make sure you watch this video till the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. All right, let's get started. Here I have my WhatsApp open and I'm in a group chat. Now, in order to tag everyone in the group, all you need to do is type the @ symbol. A box will pop up showing all the members of the group. However, there's a small catch. If you try typing everyone, it won't work because WhatsApp doesn't allow you to tag everyone at once. So to tag everyone, you will need to tag each member individually. Just type @ and then select each member one by one. Once you've tagged all the members, you're done. And that's how you can tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.